Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, your trusted source for exposing scams and helping you shop smart online. Today, we're reviewing the Ask Echo Golf Bag, a product that's been making some buzz among golfers. But is it truly worth the money? Or just overhyped? Let's dig in. The Ask Echo Golf Bag is advertised as lightweight, durable, and packed with features like multiple pockets, easy access compartments, and a comfortable carry strap. On their website, the bag looks premium, with sleek designs aimed at serious golfers. They highlight quality materials, waterproof features, and smart storage, everything a golfer supposedly needs. But flashy product photos and big promises don't always match reality, so I decided to investigate further. When checking customer reviews, I found a mix of opinions. Some buyers say the bag is comfortable to carry and has good storage space. Others, however, complain about stitching coming loose, zippers breaking after a few months, and the material not being as tough as advertised. Another thing to note, the warranty and return policy seem vague. If your bag arrives damaged or you're unhappy, getting a replacement or refund might be a bit of a headache. Price-wise, it's not the cheapest option, and for that cost, you'd expect solid, consistent quality. Unfortunately, the feedback suggests it's hit or miss depending on your luck with the product. So, is the Ask Echo Golf Bag worth buying? If you're willing to take the risk and happen to get a well-made one, it could serve you well. But with the inconsistent quality reports and unclear return process, I'd recommend looking into other trusted golf bag brands before spending your money. Remember, great marketing can make anything look perfect, but real-world use tells the full story. Stay safe, shop smart, and if you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, and share this video to help others avoid a bad purchase. See you in the next one. Thank you.